Hey guys, it's Molly. I wanted to show you two different techniques that I'm sure you've already seen before, the Dutch port and mouth-blown flowers or air-blown flowers, and I want to do it monochromatic. I really like the lacing that black and white get together, so I'm going to go ahead and get started. You guys don't laugh at my attachment that I made. I haven't gone out and gotten one yet. So I've already layered my canvas with some white. All my paints are thinned down. And if you guys stick around at the end, I'll talk to you about some exciting stuff that's happening to me. Don't forget to go below and sign up for the 5,000 giveaway. The links are below. And I'm gonna go ahead and get started. So I've got some Artist Loft black and some silver, and I mix them with floetrol and GAC 800, and that's it today. And then I've got my white, and they're all thinned down in consistency. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some black. Not too much. I've been loving all these Dutch pours and all the blow dryer techniques that everybody's been doing. It's just lovely. Put a little bit more black right up here. Okay, put some white around it. Blow it back that way and then back the other way. I'm already getting some of this cool lacing right here, so I'm gonna finish it off with my mouth. Super cool. I love the monochromatic look. I like that little dark spot of black that ended up right there. I'm gonna give it a little hit with my torch. And then I'll show you guys, I'll close up to show you all the cells that popped up. Okay, I actually want just a little bit more black right through there. Just gonna drizzle the tiniest little bit. You guys can do whatever you want. After you blow it, you know, you can do other things to it if you want. Yeah, I like that a little bit better. Okay, so I'll take you in, show you the cells. So look at those up there. Super cool. All that lacing that happened. And then you can see the ones that are over here on this side. The webbing and that lacing. Really cool. So that's the overall look. I really like it. And then now I'm gonna show you how to do it with your mouth. So I'll be right back. Okay, so I've set up my next, got a little bit of a dribble of black in there. I've set up my next canvas the same way. And I'm gonna pour some black and a little bit of silver. And a little bit of white. So now this time, excuse my head. Oops, blew the wrong way first. You guys should check out Hughes art. She's been doing a lot of these mouth blown ones. Now I'm gonna blow it over. So you see the air is much more concentrated here, and you can blow from the outside in, I mean from the inside out. So starting there, you can blow slower. You can move your head a little bit to spread it out. Oh, I love what the silver is doing in here. So you can get a very similar look this way as well. And for this one, I think I just want to move that one little piece back over there. Very cool. So the webbing and the lacing is not quite the same on this one. There we go. I like that little dark black space that's in there. I'm loving the monochromatic look that it has though, so that's really cool. I wanted to blow this webbing open there. So you can do all kinds of things to these. Okay, so I wanted to take you in for a close-up on this one. There's all those little cells that are just made from the density of the paint. So I'm just loving this black monochromatic look, really. I think I like the one that was the Dutch pour better. You guys let me know which type of blowout you like better. I can show you a couple of the other ones that I've done. Hold on one second. So this was another one that I just did. Look at those cells right there. This one had too much paint on the canvas, so I didn't like that one too much. That was the one that I just did for you. Look at that lacing. That stayed there. So that was with the blow dryer and my GAC floetrol mixture. These all were, but this one, so this one was a blow dryer. That was another one. Look at that lacing. I really love just the black and the white and the silver. All right, so stay tuned and I'll tell you guys some cool news and I'll show you some of my paintings. Okay, so here is how this one dried. Super cool. Look at those cells that are in there. It's shiny. There's still some silicone on there. But yeah, I love those lime green cells. So that was that one. This was just a tiny little one with some leftover paint, but and it was the one with too much silicone. But I actually love the way that it looks because it reminds me of like this little underwater, like something you would see in The Little Mermaid. So I love that one. This was the first one that I posted and it dried really nice. The purple dried a little bit darker, but again, just too many, reminds me of snakeskin, but too many cells for me. But I like it. This was again another one with some leftover paint and a little bit different look because I just kind of dirty poured this one in there. I didn't actually try to layer the colors on top and you can see kind of the difference. But this one also reminds me of like some water movement in there. So, pretty cool. And then the last thing was, if you guys keep your cup and just let it dry, you can actually peel out all the paint on the bottom. This was from a little colander that I had, and look at that. This was from that metallic colander pour. Look at that inside. So I'm gonna try to do something with that. I think it's really cool. But you can just peel the stuff out, peel the paint out of your cups and reuse them. That way you don't have to keep buying more and wasting plastic. Silicone cups, they have those as well. My other big news, I don't know who's still here to hear it. I got into Sunfest this year, so I will be doing, I'll have an art booth at Sunfest, which is in Palm Beach, Florida, West Palm Beach, Florida. So you guys come and see me if you're around my area. And if not, I will let you know how my second festival this year is gonna go. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell. You can support me below if you want. All my links are below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and happy painting. Bye.